Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I will show you how you can set up a Steam family account and how you can actually use it. So first thing is there are two recommended methods to use it for the family members to share games while keeping their account separate. So for that, all you have to do is to log into your Steam account on the computer where you like to share your games. Then make sure that you have a Steam Guard security enabled via Steam and in the Steam client from the Steam setting panel, select the Family tab. Here you can select users who have also logged into this computer to share your library with. Click the Authorize Library Sharing on this device. Just switch it on. So this is how you can do it. Go to the Family tab, then go to the Authorized Library Sharing on this device, and then press toggle the switch on. Fifth, check the box next to the account you like to share your library with. So the next step is requesting access from the owner. For example, if I am the owner of the game and I want somebody to use it, how somebody can access it from me? So for that, somebody needs to first enable up the Steam Guard on their Steam account. From your library, you will be able to see games owned by other Steam accounts that use the same computer. Select a game and click Board to request access to the requested library. Requesting access will send the game owner an email with a link to allow you to play games in their library. The game owner will then need to click the link in the email to authorize your computer and grant your Steam account access in their games. So this is how you can actually connect your Steam account with your family account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video.